Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of unboxing a new product, I am here with a new product which is a Wi-Fi Chinese doorbell which is similar to the Ring doorbell. As number of house break-in incidents are increasing, so everybody is concerned about the safety of their homes. So with this Wi-Fi doorbell, you can answer to any of the visitor from anywhere. So please watch this video. I will show you what's inside the box and how to set up and the review also. So let's see what's inside the box. So these are the products inside the box. So this is the ding dong bell, and then this is the plate for the backup plate for setup, and this is the charging cable, and this is the ring ding dong, so you can heard the video sound inside also. These are the some screw for setup, instruction manual, and this is the quick startup guide, and 3 batteries, and these are the cables if you have to attach with the power directly. Moving the back cover, and this is how I have to put up the battery. So these batteries inside, and then you can place the cover, and on the top, as you can see, if you remove that, this is the USB charging point, and this is the micro SD card slot if you want to put up the micro SD card. So peel that off, and you have to, this is the plate, you have to put up the screw, or either on the back, this is the tape. If you don't want to screw on the bricks, you can either remove this, peel that off, and then just stick the plate to the wall, and then after that you can put up this battery like that, and then here you can put up a screw, and there is a screwdriver, so for that, so that way nobody can steal that. So this is the ding dong, and if you can see on this side, right side, there are 3 buttons. The top one is the volume button, and up and down is the 2 buttons for changing the ringtone. So it has 50 different ringtone. So to set up that, you have to press the top button uh, when it is plugged into the wall, and then you have to press for 3 seconds. Once this light here is a blue, stable blue, then you have to ring that, press that doorbell, and it will be paired. So to set up, in the manual there is a QR code. Just turn on the mobile camera, and then you can see that the QR code, see this one, you have to accept that, and in the Android or Apple store you will find a app, so which is called Wovcam. Just install that. So the app is installed, so it will ask some permissions, so you have to allow the photo access, and then you have to agree, and this is the app. So you have to register, or otherwise if you have already registered, then you can log on. So now you can put up add device. So see, I have added that, so now this my device is already added. So this is pretty much cool app, so you can turn it on, and that way your door is connected, and if you can see the live, so now you can see the live view, and if you have to talk to the visitor, just press this, and it will ask the video, and see, now it is recording. So as you can see, everything is recorded, so you can have conversation with the visitor. So if you press the footprint, so you can see any previous recording, so it shows you people detected for the due to the motion, or if there is any visitor, it tells you that. As you can see, my bell is paired now with the ding dong. So when I will press here, it will be sound inside also on the ding dong. So my doorbell is connected. Let's see if I press this. So now there is a ring. I have to press that, and now it is live. I can see, you can see my hand, and I can talk. Yeah. So this is pretty much cool stuff. So a little bit time lag, but on the other side, you don't have to spend for recording the visitor. Like Ring is charging a subscription if you have to monitor who was visiting your house. But here you don't need to pay anything. So it is pretty much cool. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.